Hello.
Hola!
So, are you guys ready for the recipe today?
I am. I really worked up an appetite after that workout.
Me too.
I hope you guys did too.
So, because we have a really good workout, we work out all of the 11 systems in our body. I will suggest you to recover really good, really healthily with this awesome recipe I have for you. It just involves lettuce, avocados. If you're not here in Costa Rica and you're not as lucky as we are, because we're really blessed that we have avocado season right now, and we have these yummy, beautiful, awesome avocados in our backyards.
Look, it's so nice.
So, if you don't have them, don't worry. Remember, it comes from your heart, and your intention is all what it matters. So, take the lettuce, wash it, clean it, and dry it. Once you dry it, if it's this long, you just fold it, just like that. Take the avocado, take the seed out, take the skin out, peel it, and it's very easy. It's very, very healthy. It will fill you up. Take the avocado. Be generous about the avocado part. Take one piece of avocado, put it inside the lettuce, just like that.
And you know what? In California, we don't really get these kind of avocados a lot. But if you get Hass avocados, then cut up 2 pieces to fill up your lettuce wrap that we're doing.
Yes, I have some salt here. You can skip the salt, but because we sweat, we will need salt. So add some salt.
And this is sea salt, right?
Yeah, it is sea salt.
So,
simple, delicious.
Yes.
And here, you're in Costa Rica, we add lemons to almost everything. So squeeze the lemon. It looks good.
It looks really good.
Yum. I will dry my hands and just wrap it, It's like a tortilla.
It's a little lettuce wrap. It's an avocado lettuce wrap.
I will cut it in half so I can share with Clarita.
I'm so glad mi amiga is sharing with me because I am hungry.
Okay, and enjoy it. Look, doesn't it look beautiful?
Pretty, it's so pretty, green.
Mira, qué
Doesn't it look
rico.
delicious?
Cheers.
Cheers. Bon appetit. Buen provecho.